Welcome back to Mr. Iggy's channel, where we talk about shoes and fashion. Keep it real as possible. Please stick around for the topic. All right, let's get into it. Yes, it's been a while. I've been busy with work and stuff. Like I think 5 months now. I haven't been on this platform for a while. I have something special, some special kicks that I want to showcase. This kicks is very nice, well built, well put together. Bang, these are the shoes I was talking about. Dunks High SE, well built, well put together. Looks nice on feet. These shoes, I really like how it looks and everything. Me, I'm not a Dunks type of guy. I'm a Puma and Reebok type of guy, but I had to try something new, you know? I have to try something that it's out of my alley and something that is tasteful. So this shoes is very tasteful, beautiful shoes, well-crafted shoes. I really like the colorway. Like the color blocking on this is just mint green and padded leather, and it makes the shoes look very nice and outstanding. Well, the lace is the same color as the shoes. The toe cap area, I don't know if this is gonna crease, but it's holding its shape. The outer panel of the shoes has the Nike sign. The inner panel same with the Nike sign. At the side right here has the Indiana NBA All-Star on the side of the panel, like the lower back of the panel, and it has the Nikes embroidered in there. It looks very nice. Can't go wrong with these shoes. It's well built, well put together. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a few outfits to go with it as well. The comfort on these shoes is like, I don't know, like 8, and like can wear this all day. Like you can rock it all day and your feet will not hurt as much. Like I mean as much. It will hurt but not like for the whole day, you know? So yeah, the price on these shoes is very affordable. Like you can check out your StockX. Overall, the shoes are sick. I really like it. It looks good on feet and it's well built and well put together, as like I said before. Yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Later days.